Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install Envoy Proxy on Ubuntu or Debian. Once you have a server set up and a sudo user account, the first thing you need to do is update your system. To check which packages are out of date on your system, you can use the following command. You will see a list of packages that will be updated. Once the update is complete, use the following command to install the required dependencies. So, your system is up to date and you have all of your dependencies installed. Now, you can install Envoy Proxy. First, run the following command to add the GPG key to your apt keychain. This will allow you to verify the legitimacy of third-party repositories. A GPG key is a public key that is used to verify the legitimacy of a software repository. It is important to ensure that you are using a legitimate GPG key, as illegitimate keys could potentially introduce malware into your system. The Envoy Proxy GPG key can be verified by using the following command. You will get an OK response if the GPG key is valid. Once you have verified the key, add the repository Envoy Proxy to your system by running the following command. Once you have added the GPG key and authorized the Envoy Proxy repository, run an update for your package manager by using the following command. Run the apt cache policy command to list the current apt package manager policy. Now, install Envoy Proxy using the following command. Now that you have set up your Envoy Proxy server, let's check whether it runs properly. To check the version of Envoy Proxy that you are running, run the following command. Next, run the following command to see a list of the available options. The Envoy Proxy server has many features that you can use. You can learn more about all the Envoy Proxy available options on its official page. After installing Envoy, you will now learn how to set up Envoy. First, create a new Envoy directory with the following command. Next, create a new file using the Nano editor. Add the following configuration to the file. Save and close the file when you're done. Next, run the following command to verify the YAML configuration file. If your YAML configuration is correct, you should see output like the following. Now, run the following command. You will see the following log output. Also, make sure you don't receive an error message. Continue to move to your local machine and edit the following configuration file. Add the following domain name with your server IP address as the following. Save and close the file when you're done. So, you've learned how to install Envoy Proxy on your Ubuntu 22.04 server. You can now use it to proxy requests from your HTTP server.